Alright, welcome to the channel. I am out on a short rip just down the road, testing out everything on the bike before for the season. I don't have my 360 out here. I'm just using my DJI 4 Action 4 right now. I'm just out testing out the bike. After I changed the brakes, pads, changed the oil, changed the primary, changed transmission, checked everything over, just making sure everything's working. So I'm out for a quick rip, seeing how the bike is. Just a quick one. I ain't going for a ride. Maybe tomorrow. Might go tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see. Sounding pretty good. I don't know. It is sounding pretty good. Fresh oil. Seems to be shifting good. Get back. See if there's any leaks or not. Check out the Eagle Lights temperature dipstick to see if it's working. If you watch one of my previous videos about that, I only let it idle in the shed, so I haven't taken it out. I only got it up a little bit past 100. We'll see what it does now. Taking it out for a ride. Like I said, just went down the end of the road and back. See how this is. Man. Yeah. Seems to be working out pretty good. Feeling good. Yeah, it's great to be back out. Been a long, hard winter. If you haven't already and you enjoy my content, why don't you give me a little subscribe? I've been going on, 4 years now doing this channel. Still could use some more subscribers. Give it a try. And if you do subscribe, hit that bell so you're notified when I put out new videos. Yeah. Let's see. So, you watched some of my other previous videos there. I used I bought and purchased hooked up to the bike a solar powered battery tender. It worked out great. Bike started right up, no problem. So all right. So everything's working good. Got air and tires, so geez, I don't know. Yep, working good. 26,000 on my bike. 26,300. Yeah. What do you think? Yeah. We'll see how many miles I'll get out of these tires here. I don't remember when I put them on. But don't remember. Anyway, bike's running good. Seems fine. Let's see what happens when I get home, get back at the house. Bike is running good. Man, I gotta wash her up though. I can't believe I put her away looking like this. Bugs all over the windshield, dust all over. Yeah. Alrighty. Pops in the neutral nice. You know, over the years I've had this bike, I've had issues with it going in the neutral sometimes. So let's check down here, make sure. This is what I was worried about when in the previous video, I changed out these bolts because I stripped them out. And I got some aftermarket, you know, Chinese shit. So that supposedly there were some reviews that they snap off easy. So I just made sure that I just hand snugged them. So I'm just making sure that there ain't no leaks there. No leaks. All right. That's good. Look at my eagle lights. The only thing I don't like about this one is the tint is a little bit not as tinty as the rest of them, but okay. Can we see what the gauge is? Can you see in there? It says it's almost 200 degrees, so that's working. Yep, looks like everything's working good. On my lights, look at eagle lights, eagle lights. Hey, if you're interested, check out the link, you know, in the description. Use my code, 15% off. Great lights. You know, let's see here. Well, I'm going to put the bike away. I got some other work to do. I just wanted to go for a quick rip, so. Like I said, if you're interested in watching some more of my videos, hey, check out the one up here. And we'll see you in the next one. If you're already out, be safe out there riding. Peace.